Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest and greatest products in the market.
Today, we've got something truly exciting for you. The Whoop 4.0, the ultimate wearable health, fitness, and activity tracker. Trust me when I say, this might just be the best activity tracker for sleep out there. Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into what makes it so special.
Let's kick things off by taking a look at what you get when you unbox the Whoop 4.0. In the package, you'll find the 4.0 hardware, an Onyx Super Knit band, and a wearable, waterproof battery pack. But what sets this apart is the initial 12-month Whoop membership included with your purchase. That's right, a full year of Whoop insights to improve your health and fitness. Now, let's talk about what truly sets Whoop 4.0 apart from the competition: continuous monitoring. This device keeps tabs on your physiological data 24/7, including heart rate, respiratory rate, resting heart rate variability, skin temperature, blood oxygen levels, daily activity, and sleep. It's like having a personal health assistant right on your wrist. But it's not just about data collection. It's about what you do with that data. Whoop provides you with personalized insights and a science-backed approach to improve your overall health and optimize your performance. The Whoop Journal lets you track daily behaviors like activity, diet, stress levels, and more. It even calculates which behaviors affect your sleep and recovery, helping you build healthier habits. One of the standout features is the on-the-go charging capability. Whoop 4.0 boasts impressive battery life, lasting up to 5 days on a single charge. Plus, with the waterproof battery pack, you can charge it while you wear it. No need to take it off and interrupt your monitoring. Concerned about customer support? Don't be. Whoop has you covered with a 24/7 member support team ready to assist you with any issues or questions. They stand by their product and offer hassle-free resolutions. And guess what? Whoop even offers a lifetime warranty. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the price. The Whoop 4.0 with a 12-month subscription is available for $239, and trust me, it's worth every penny. When it comes to tracking your health and optimizing your performance, this is an investment you won't regret. Plus, it's FSA, HSA eligible. In conclusion, the Whoop 4.0 is not just a wearable. It's your path to better sleep, improved fitness, and a healthier lifestyle. With continuous monitoring, personalized insights, on-the-go charging, and top-notch customer support, it truly stands out as the best activity tracker for sleep and overall health. So, if you're serious about taking control of your well-being, the Whoop 4.0 might just be your new best friend. And there you have it, folks, our in-depth review of the Whoop 4.0. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and product insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.